Pagayog na may loob kitang tanan. Sa ngalan sa mahal, sa anak, sa Diyos, sa Espiritu Santo. Hindi ba mo rin Paribo, manipod ang tanan. Mayong buntag, ang yatang karon ang magsaksi sa datong kasulugan sa umabot na 40 anibersaryo sa Metro. Karong Oktubre 14, 15 o 16, tuig 2022. Ikaw babae, andam ba mo nga, andam ang makasamanag kong iskwento na umabot kay 40 anibersaryo sa Metro?
Andam na maayo, Padre.
O ikaw na laki, dawaton ba nimo ang iyong pangasawunon sa walay pagduha-duha? O ikaw babae, dawaton ba nimo ang iyong pamanhunon may pagkababae?
Kahanan ka wala, Padre.
O karon nakakanan mo sa iyong pedisyon, nasugod karong adlaw, Mr. and Mrs. Metro, tinaon na magpuyong mo nga magmalilawon, magkahigugmaay o ganagan mo usa ka dosina ng mga anak na hilso o karon pwede na nimong hagkan ang imong asawa.
And now, let's proceed to the opening of the gifts to the newlyweds. Let's call our principal sponsor. From Appliance Department, with digital washing machine and Electrolux with free Asahi electric iron. Before is 9,995, and now opportunity naman sa kapitan na 8,540. Electrolux hand and cold water dispenser with free 1 gallon container. Before is 9,195, and now it's 7,940. Electrolux gas wrench with free soap pan. Before it's 21,995, and now it's 19,240. From Furniture Department, recliner chair before is 15,999, and now 8,399. Corner sofa set before is 15,999, and now it's 11,199. From Publix Department, island chair curtain before is 550, and now it's only 250 pesos. Island foil curtain before is 550, and now 330. From Linen Department, bead covered tilted reversible with 2 pillowcases. Before is 1,999, and now it's only 999. Bedsheet with printed 61. Before is 799, and now 399 pesos. Regalo that's from Home Decor Department. Ceramic vase before is 499, and now 249.50 cents. Wood clock before is 399, and now 239.40 cents. Regalo sa Houseware Department. Angkor Homey Bakers before is 2,249, and now 999. Additional 10% off the Metro Rewards card. Walk honeycomb stainless steel with handle and glass cover, 34 cm. Before is 1,799, and now 899. Additional 10% off of Metro Rewards card. From storage and organization, Metro Wear Desk Clock. before it's 999 and now 599. Colored quartz blue before it's 4,999 and now it's 2,999. From home improvement department, Maxwell Living Bar before it's 569 and now 400. Stock multi-purpose ladder before it's 4,969 and now it's only 4,000 pesos. Di niya ito balikan ng ating PWE item. PWE buy any of these items for 40 pesos only. Ganong balikan kay ka-40 anibersaryo na ito. Karang ito ika. 40 pesos na lang. Minimum purchase of 2,000. Top Mama Electric Kettle Stainless Steel before 635. Karang 40 pesos na lang. Imagine mo ito asa kang kapalitan ng 40 pesos. Solar lamp before 569 and now again 40 pesos. Ang balikot 40 na lang. Kaya 40 na anibersaryo. Karang lawas sa lawas. Picture before it's 299 and now 40 pesos again and again. Please blanket before it's 399. Karon 40 pesos lang yapon. And that's all the highlights of third floor department store. And now let's witness the royal dance of third floor department store.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks.